Meet Joseph, a teenager with big dreams and a very colorful coat. His father, Jacob, loved him more than all his other sons. That didn't sit well with his brothers. One day, Joseph told his brothers about a strange dream. Hey guys.
So to create something like that, Bible stories, all you need to do is come to Chat GPT and write out this prompt. Okay, please create 5 engaging and biblically accurate animated Bible stories for my YouTube channel. So once you do that, it's going to create animated Bible story ideas for you. So you can see some of it here. Number one, in the beginning, God's amazing creation, right? Number two, Joseph from dreamer to leader. So it's going to give us up to five ideas, right, that we can choose from. So now I'm going to be going with number two, Joseph from dreamer to leader. So now I'm just going to write number two, and then I'll write out another prompt that I want it to give me. Okay, remember I just gave me the title and some things I need, right? But now I want it to write a script for me. All right, write a short engaging 1 to 3 minutes video script for me. So using that number two that I want to use, so it depends on the number you want to use, right? So now here there is a short engaging 1 to 3 minute video script for your animated Bible story titled Joseph from dreamer to leader. So now can you just see, we have opening scene, Joseph walking with colorful robe. We have narrator, friendly tone. Meet Joseph, a teenager with big dreams and all of that, right? So cut to Joseph sharing a dream with his brothers. One day Joseph. So now see the narrators, the narrator here talking and just explaining the video, right? So one for the narrator, I'm going to copy one of it, and then I'll come to 11 labs. Now 11 lab is going to turn my text. We turn my text to speech, right? As you can see here, text to speech. So it's going to turn my text to speech. Okay, so now I'll just go to the narrators, and then I'm just going to keep copying them and posting them on that. I'll go to my Chat GPT, copy the narrator part, and paste it on these 11 labs here, so that all of it I'm going to paste it here, so that I can now convert it from text to speech. So just watch what I'm doing. So now I'm going to go to this part, and then I'm going to look for is somebody that'll be talking, that'll be narrating for us here. All right, so we have up to how many people here? So I'm just going to be selecting one of these. Okay, I'm just going to select one of these.
Life without love is like a tree without blossoms or fruit.
Okay, so I'm going to go with this one. Okay, I'll go with column, right? So I've just tapped on it and see the mark here. So I'm just going to go with that, and then I'm going to generate speech. Just tap on generate speech, right? So that we can hear, and then I'll play to hear what it's saying. Okay, so let's go.
Meet Joseph, a teenager with big dreams and a very colorful coat. His father, Jacob.
So now it is not just lovely. So this is going to be our narrator, right? So I'm just going to download. Now we'll come back to Chat GPT and write out this prompt. Can I get image prompt for each scene? Right, so each scene you want to create an image for that scene, and so Chat GPT has given us this scene, the image prompt for each scene. Joseph and the colorful robe, introduction, a cheerful teenage boy in ancient Hebrew, whatever. All right, so now it's just up to how many scenes here, right? So now I'll come to Microsoft Bing. This is what I want to use to generate my image. So I'm just going to copy one of the scene that it has given us, and then I'm going to come here to Microsoft Bing and generate that picture, that image prompt. Now look at the images Microsoft Bing generated for me. A cheerful teenage boy in ancient Hebrew clothing, wearing a brightly colored whatever, it has gone there. So now I'll go to the next one. So you just keep going back to Chat GPT, copy, and come and paste. Do you understand? Keep going back, copy this the image prompt, and come and paste on your Microsoft Bing. Okay, so this is what I want to use to generate my own image. So this is it for this one, him talking to his older brothers and all of that. So this is it. So now I'll go back, and then to generate our animation, like our animated video, to generate a video for it, we're still going to use that same prompt that we use for image prompt. We're going to use that same prompt. Okay, so now I'm still going to copy it and then come to Pixverse. This is Pixverse app. I'm going to come here and just generate an animation for it. Okay, so now let's see how it goes. Let's just see. Wow, so this is it. This is Pixverse generating an um an animation for it. It's free. This one is free actually. So this is it. It is not just lovely. This is really, 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 really nice. Okay, so now I'll come to my InShot, and then I'm going to arrange it to the way I want it to be. All right, so I'll come to my InShot and I'm going to arrange it. All right, I'm going to fix in the audio that we got from 11 Labs, fixing the video and everything I need to fix in. Okay, so I'm going to cut out things I do not want to be there. So now for the audio, let me go to my music. Go to my music, and then see the 11 Labs that we generated. So I'm just going to input it.
Meet Joseph, a teenager with big dreams and a very colorful coat.
Now it is not just lovely, so I'm just going to arrange it, fixing our transition and just arrange it to the way I really want it to be. This is really, really nice, right? This is really nice. So please, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Please subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Once you are done, go to export and then you export your video. Thank you all for watching.
Meet Joseph, a teenager with big dreams and a very colorful coat. His father, Jacob, loved him more than all his other sons. That didn't sit well with his brothers. One day, Joseph told his brothers about a strange dream. "Hey, guys, I dreamed you were all bowing down to me." Yeah, not the smartest move. His brothers were angry. Really angry. So one day when Joseph came to check on them, they grabbed him, tore off his fancy robe, and threw him into a pit. Then, instead of leaving him there, they sold him to traveling merchants heading to Egypt. In Egypt, Joseph worked hard and gained respect. But just when things were looking up, bam! He was falsely accused and thrown into prison. Even in prison, Joseph helped people, interpreting dreams and encouraging others. Years later, Pharaoh had a troubling dream, and guess who they called? Joseph explained